Hey, what's going on everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we are going to be installing the Whitestone Dome EA glass and the camera lens protector on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. No, I'm not going to be installing the premium film protector because I already have a separate video installing that on that inside display on this device right here. So for today's video, we're just going to be focusing on that outside display and then for the camera lenses as well. So let's go and get started. It's going to be a super easy installation. As you can see, we don't really have a whole bunch of stuff like we usually do with the other glass screen protector where we have to use a UV light and all that other stuff. We just have stuff to clean the screen and then this little contraption right here, which is going to be super simple. So the first thing you want to do is make sure your device is powered off, of course, and then we're going to go ahead and clean our outside display. Make sure it's free from any stains, fingerprints. Just go ahead and give it a quick wipe with that wet cloth, and then we'll go ahead and dry it up just like that. And you want to make sure to also do this in a dust-free environment. And then we have our dust absorbing sticker, which we will take off right here. And then make sure we just don't have any dust on this outer display. You want to prevent yourself from getting any air bubbles under the screen protector. That way you get the best viewing experience possible when using it. And we are looking pretty good there. I'm going to set that back right there. Now this is going to be super simple. Let me set this camera protector over to the side for now. Super simple. You're going to want to take off this white styrofoam piece in the back. And then you have the sticker in the back. The screen protector is already there. So you're just gonna get this little flap and just peel it off. I kind of do it sideways so no dust falls on it if I'm not in a dust-free environment. There we go, and it's ready to go. So you're just going to set it on your Galaxy Z Fold 5. Try to get it nice in center. Let's see, just like that. And then we're simply going to just follow directions. So as you can see, for one, it says fast slide, right to left or left to right. I'll go ahead and go left to right. Here we go, fast slide, there we go. Number 2, going down. Let's go ahead and go down, just like that. And then number 3, going up. So let's go ahead and go up, just like that. And I'm just gonna let it set for a little bit here. Okay, so I did let it sit for a little bit. We still got that little airspace up there. So let's just see what happens when we peel this sticker off right here. It says remove sticker. So that's exactly what we're going to do here. Let's see. Just like that. And I guess we can go ahead and take this piece off. As you can see there, that little air bubble is still up there. So we can probably push that out just like that. Yeah, look at that. So we're able to just push that out, fill in the air itself. Same thing over here on the edge, going down. Same thing right here on this edge. There we go. And it's looking pretty good. Still got a little bit of air up there. There we go, looking good. So now what we want to do is we can go ahead and take our wet wipe again and just go over it and clean those fingerprints off of the screen protector. And then we'll go ahead and dry it here. Get it nice and clean. And then we'll go ahead and power it on and see how it responds with the display. All right, so I got the phone powered on as you can see here. And as you can see, responsiveness works very, very well. No problems at all. Pretty much feels like I don't even have a screen protector on this front display. So overall responsibility is good, no problems at all. But let's go ahead and check out this camera lens protector here for the back. Just gonna wanna make sure your lenses are clean. Go ahead and just wipe them up, just like that. If there's any dust, just kind of wipe it off. There we go. And then this is going to be super simple. You just peel it off, just like this. And then you just wanna line it up perfectly with the lenses in the back. And it should go right on, just like that. And it sticks on perfectly fine. Look at that, no problems there. And also kind of adds a, cool little black outlining of the camera lenses there. Let's see, it adds a little bit of a lift there. So it is going to push out just a little bit because it is covering those camera lenses in the back. Let's see, is there any negative effect on taking photos? Let's see, let me go ahead and pull out their Whitestone Dome case here. And nope, the photos still look super sharp. Very, very good. So doesn't have any negative effect on taking pictures. So there you have it, the Whitestone Dome Glass Easy Glass and the camera lens protector for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, installation Super, super simple. You won't have any problems installing these protectors on this device right here. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. Thank you so very much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you're not missing out on any other future videos to come. Thanks for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.